Recommended for ages 15 months plus, made of strong and sturdy wood. Features 2 high side rails to ensure your little one's safety while transitioning to a big kid bed. Assembled dimensions: 54.53 L by 29.92 W x 18.90 H inches. Easy assembly. JPMA certified to meet or exceed all safety standards set by the CPSC and ASTM. Top reviews from the United States. Son loves it. It made it all the way to Japan in one piece with no damage. __. My son loves his bed and it was easy to put together. Like that the sides are a little higher up so he doesn't roll off.